Hello, beautiful people out there. Today we are drawing another drawing of Little Singham, your favorite cartoon character. And today's Little Singham will be in Navy's uniform. So let's start. Here I'm using a black pointer. I am drawing the cap of the Singham, the details in it, and the further details, drawing its hand. Drawing its glasses just like this, the eyebrows, the nose, and giving it a ticklish smile. Now I am drawing the uniform, its details, the shoulders, and as it's navy uniform, so I'll be drawing the badges and will be coloring it in multicolors. If you like the drawing, give it a subscribe and hit like button. Don't forget to share the video and do share me your comments and your suggestions with me. Thank you. Bye bye.